Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on this look right here. It is a full face only using 8 products, so if you need a little bag to keep in your purse, or if you're going on a trip and you don't want to take a ton of makeup, this is a great go-to look for you. I use a lot of different things a lot of different ways, so I hope you get a lot of tips and tricks out of this video, and I hope you enjoy it. So starting off on my brows, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate Brown, and I am defining the outside edges and then filling in the middle with small brush strokes to act as if they were little eyebrow hairs to where they look a little bit more natural. And I like my eyebrows big, so yes, I know I fill them in quite full. Then I'm using my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper, and I'm just giving a good coat over top of that to fill in any spots I missed with the pomade. Then going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, I'm just cleaning up the edges of that with a little concealer brush. And then after I do that, I'm going to be using the same concealer to prime my eyelids. And my shade is in the shade C3. This is a great little tip to do if you forgot your eyeshadow primer at home. It helps a lot with saving space as well. It kind of uses product obviously in a multi-use way. Then using my face powder to set that where everything will blend very nice and smoothly, and to cover up any spots that the concealer did not cover. It's just going to help everything blend together really nicely. Then for my lid color, I'm going in with my Essence eyeshadow in the Grammy Goes to Glammy. This is a really pretty like white iridescent shadow, and it's going all over my lid. It's going to add a nice brightness and a nice awake look to my eyes. Oh, and this brush here is a Wet n Wild brush that I'm using. I love the brushes. Then going into my NYC Sunny Bronzer and another Wet n Wild fluffy brush, I'm going to buff this into my crease area, and I'm just going to slowly build this until I get it to the intensity that I want. And I'm actually going to switch brushes to make it a little bit deeper in my outer corner. And this little brush here that I'm using is an e.l.f. brush. Then for eyeliner today, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow for my eyeliner today, and I'm using it as a gel eyeliner. It stays super well, so you don't have to worry about this running all over your face, and I just created little wings with my Wet n Wild angled brush. Also too, it adds a really pretty smokiness to the lashes. If you just want to smudge it a little bit in rather than doing wings, that's totally fine too. And then going in with my Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara, I'm going to give it a good coat to my upper lashes. Now moving on to my face, I'm using the same concealer we used before, and I'm doing that in upside down triangles underneath my eyes, on my nose, and my chin area. Those are the areas that I, 1, need to brighten, 2, need to color correct, and 3, need to cover any blemishes that I might have. So I'm just going to blend it out as best as I can over the rest of my face to where it gives it more of an even skin tone all over, and I did not put any foundation or anything on the rest of my face. So it's going to look a little bit on the pink tone for this, but that is why we are going in with a yellow tone face powder. And I'm just using this on a pointed kabuki brush, and I'm tapping this into the concealer to give it a more flesh tone look to where it'll blend in with my natural skin tone. Then for bronzer, I'm using the same one that I use on my eyes, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush right here. And I'm just going to be chiseling up my cheekbones and warming up my skin on my temples and my jawline, just to give my face some structure and definition. Then for my cheeks today, I'm using this Lip and Cheek color from Lique Cosmetics, and I'm just going to tap that onto my cheek area. And I did blend this out a little bit with my fingers, but a little tip that I like to do is use a slightly damp beauty blender and just buff out the edges to where it looks more like a natural skin tone and a natural flush. Moving on to highlighter for today, I'm using the same shadow that I used on my lids, and I'm just going to be popping that on my cheekbones, my nose, my brow bone, and my chin, just to brighten everything up. I love this as a highlighter. It is beautiful on fair skin, and I like to use my finger on my nose because I feel like it makes the highlighter really pop. And for my lips today, I'm using that same color I used on my cheeks, just as a little like tinted lip balm, just to give my lips some moisture and a little bit more color. Then going to my eyes again, I'm just popping a little bit of that bronzer underneath my lashes to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and a little bit more dramatic. And then I'm going to put a quick coat of mascara on my lower lashes, and that is it for this entire look. Super easy, super simple, very quick. Maybe it takes 20 minutes to do. Make sure you check out all of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what else you guys want to see. All the names and links to everything are in the description box for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!